In this tutorial, I will show you Curvature Pen Tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful image. I have collected it from Pixabay. So I am accessing Curvature Pen Tool from here. Pen Tool, free from Pen Tool, and then Curvature Pen Tool. Shortcut is P. So I am accessing it. Curvature Pen Tool makes or changes path or shapes using points. It makes shapes using points. So how it works? So I am selecting it. I would like to show you, this is shape mode. I have already discussed all of this with my previous pen tool lesson. I hope you will watch this if you need. So I want to creating a shape path here. I am clicking here and you can see I am clicking here. You can see this is a guide, or you can thought that, but actually not. This is curvature. When I clicking here, you can see it is making an curve. It is making an curve. So I am clicking here. You can see that it is automatically adjusting the curviness, the shape. When the degree sign appeared below the pen sign, then you can click here and the path is completed. So this pen tool will show you a guide, and it is always adjusted the curviness. So here is an anchor point, here is an anchor point. You can always adjust, just click here and adjust or move the anchor points and making the shape more accurate or perfect. You can move any anchor point from here. If you hold down Alt, say if you hold down Alt from keyboard, I am holding down Alt now. You can see when I am my cursor closer to the anchor point, you can see here is convert anchor point tools. It works like. So if I am now clicking here, it will make it corner points, anchor points, corner anchor points, and if I click here, it will be curvy anchor points. If I hold down Control from the keyboard, my cursor will be temporarily worked as direct selection tool. You can see now I am moving these anchor points or clicking here and working as I need. So also, if you want to delete any anchor points, if you say, suppose you want to delete this anchor point, this, so click here and press delete or backspace from the keyboard. I am pressing delete. You can see the anchor point has been deleted from here. Also, if you want, you can see this is adjust always the curviness. I am clicking here and it is adjust curviness. If you want to make an straight line, you should click, hold down Alt from the keyboard. I am hold down Alt from the keyboard. You can see this is adjust as curviness, but next time it will work as straight line. You can draw any straight line from here. You can see, and after that you can close the path. You can easily draw. This will be helps you easily draw any shapes or paths using this Curvature Pen Tool. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial or have any questions, please comments below and also subscribe this channel. Keep editing.